Want to create a new widget file in Qt Designer for your C++ project? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. So first open Qt, press on Create Project. Click on Qt Widget Application. Now you have to put the project name, then choose where you want to save it by browsing. For the build system, I rather prefer Make. Here, put the class name of the window example, My Window. Make sure to enable the debug, release in the profile here. Then click on Next, .finish, and wait for a few seconds. And here you go. You created your project, so you will find the .h file, the .cpp file, and the form.ui file. To modify the widget, you can easily go to Form and double-click on the .ui file. To execute, you can simply press on this green arrow. And that's it. Now you know how to create a new widget file in Qt Designer and connect it with your C++ project. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Qt tips.